Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 6.55%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.50% since it was identified as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits at the center of a very broad and downward trend in the short term, indicating further decline within this trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 15.54% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 23.2% and negative 3%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 57.51%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 46.83% to 121.23% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimate falling between $285.18 and $429.70. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock price gained 2.18% on the last trading day, Wednesday, the 12th of March, 2025, rising from $190.09 to $194.23. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.91% with a day low at $192.45 and a day high of $199.98. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 8.79% for this period. Volume fell on the last day by 11 million shares, with a total of 30 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.87 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $251.87, while the lowest price was $119.76. Currently, the price is 22.88% or $57.64, below the 52-week high of $251.87. which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom, symbol AVGO, has generated positive momentum recently as semiconductor stocks experienced a rally fueled by better-than-expected inflation data. This improvement in economic indicators came as a relief after a period of market volatility, particularly impacting tech stocks like AVGO. Bernstein's analysts reaffirmed their outperform rating on Broadcom, suggesting that the recent dip in stock price represents a buying opportunity for investors. In the first quarter, Broadcom reported a 25% increase in sales, reaching $14.9 billion, driven largely by its artificial intelligence and infrastructure-related revenues. This growth demonstrates the company's resilience even amidst broader market concerns about a potential recession. Long-term contracts provide an additional buffer against economic downturns, reinforcing investor confidence in AVGO. As Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company explores the possibility of forming a joint venture involving Broadcom and other chip makers to operate Intel's fabrication plants, this could further enhance Broadcom's market positioning. The continued demand for artificial intelligence infrastructure suggests that Broadcom's growth potential remains strong. In the short term, this news is likely to bolster AVGO's stock price as investors respond positively to the company's stability and growth prospects. Long-term, the focus on artificial intelligence and infrastructure could place Broadcom in a favorable position within an evolving tech landscape, potentially leading to substantial gains in market valuation. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was also reported that KeyBank assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, CICC reported giving AVGO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, Morgan Stanley again assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Bank of America Securities assigned AVGO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Broadcom stock presents a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is higher than the short-term average, this suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. Should there be further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $214.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $188.89. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, and thus far, it has increased by 8.24%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot has been established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 9 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average produced a sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average showed a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 11 days ago. For more signals and detailed analysis, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at 190.09. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 7.53 between its high and low, which represents a movement of 3.91%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric gauges a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.48. It's essential to monitor these figures, as they can have a substantial effect on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $202.13. If you do not currently own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $190.09. If this support level holds firm, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Kirsten M. Spears conducted an insider purchase of 118,760 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the same day, Charlie B. Kawas made an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Also, on the 4th of March, 2025, Mark David Brazil conducted an insider purchase of 262,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 8th of January, 2025, Eddie W. Hartenstein sold 4,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 6th of January, 2025, Keon Lo Chek sold 48,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 5.761. In total, insiders purchased 2,082,240 shares and sold 2,641,000 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom currently exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of March, we anticipate that Broadcom will open higher by $1.32, starting at a price of $195.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.